Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup. We have some stories to call to your attention. I will start off with sort of a theme here of teamwork. This is Teamwork Week. Matternet and UPS have started medical deliveries using drones, and they point out that this is the first routine paid service using drones for delivery. Companies called Spoondrift and OpenROV have formed SOFAR Ocean. So you have a data company teaming with a hardware company, bringing all that data, software, and hardware together. So a new venture. Gatwick Airport in London and Stanley Robotics have teamed to do robotic valet parking. So you park your car and this robot takes care of it for you, and presumably does not do a Ferris Bueller's Day Off and go running off in your Ferrari. Farmwise and Roush have teamed on robotic weeding devices, so helping with farming. And last but not least, Sony and NTT Docomo have teamed on driverless technology using 5G wireless networks. So lots of teamwork.
Exactly. I have sort of a theme this week regarding storm and disaster cleanup. So first, a UAS-based investigation of severe storms is prepared to launch in a few weeks. It will be a collaboration between the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, Texas Tech University, the University of Colorado Boulder, and NOAA's National Severe Storms Laboratory, and it is known as Targeted Observation by Radars and UAS of Supercells. Additionally, in Florida, RE2 Robotics has announced that a commercially available telehandler equipped with its rapid airfield damage recovery robotic applique kit, that's a mouthful,
applique,
performed teleoperated disaster cleanup in Florida at the Air Force Civil Engineering Center, located at Tyndall Air Force Base. AUVSI was badly damaged during last year's Hurricane Michael in October 2018. And finally, a new company called Designated Driver is getting into teleoperations, which the company describes as the official name for remotely controlling self-driving vehicles. Right now, the company uses a bank of 6 screens that displays the feeds from various cameras on the car and a map of the area. The remote driver can do everything he would do in a regular car, such as turn the steering wheel, turn the lights, and various things like that. So sort of a theme with disaster operations, and then the last one with driverless vehicles, obviously. So as always, the links are at the bottom, and we will see you again next week.